Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, back with our next watercolor basics project. I've got my medium paintbrush, water, my praying watercolors, and a watercolor paper notebook. And today we're going to work on painting concentric circles. Concentric means getting bigger and bigger. Like if you throw a rock into some water, and it makes rings that move out from that center point where the rock plopped in the water. Those are concentric circles. So that is what we're working on today. I'm going to do mine just in the order that they appear in the rainbow. Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, because that order is pretty pleasing to our eyes, but you could do whatever order you want. You could even just do the same color over and over again. But what we're practicing here is our paintbrush skills. You'll notice that my lines get a little bit thinner and a little bit thicker, kind of on accident, but we'll just go with it because we're not going to be too picky. This is about having fun, right? That line that I just made was too light. I didn't like how light it was, so I'm going over the top of it again. But I'm trying to be really consistent with the amount of white space in between my colors. So you'll notice that I'm paying pretty close attention to how far apart I am from the last circle that I painted. That's what I'm trying to focus on. It doesn't bother me too much if the thickness of my line is inconsistent. I like that it looks handmade. If we wanted it to be exactly perfect, we would do it on a computer or something, right? The way we know that something is handmade is it's not usually perfect. And our eyes actually like to see that. So, I am practicing how far apart these lines are, and I want to go close together, but not touch. Today we are not blending the colors. We're trying to get really close, but still have some white space in between. So I will speed this up. You can watch me finish, and then it will be your turn. Happy painting.